White in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi, this is John Merdy Guzman, the Filipino Michael Jackson favorite artist. You can follow me on all my social media accounts. Click, watch, and subscribe on Maverick only on YouTube. Only. What the? Ow!
Okay, kasama natin ngayon ng DK ng Pilipinas or tinatawag ng Dr. Drift na si Odell Season, tama?
Yes, sir.
Ano, Doc na ba tatawag ko rin sa'yo? Pwede.
Pwede naman.
Doc! Question, ano bang makina na itong A86 natin? Hindi na original, right?
Yes, hindi na.
Naka-dual cam tayo.
Yes, 6-cylinder na tayo.
6 cylinders na 1JZ.
Oo, and it's pushing about 500 horsepower.
500 horse. Mas malakas ang 2JZ, right? Sa 1JZ.
Mas malaking displacement.
Oo. Pero pwede rin natin lagyan ng gano'n kung sakali.
Pwede.
Pwede rin. Pero usually ito yung kinakabit for this body. Tama ba?
Depende rin sa nung CNC minsan po ang choice nila. So yung personal drift car ko, 2JZ yun.
Wow, syempre dapat represent. Drift King. At tuwing kailan ka ba nandito sa track natin?
Madalas kasi
Doc.
normally meron tayong mga estudyante na nagmamaschedule during the week.
Yeah?
And kung hindi naman, yung schedule nila na gusto sila
Weekend.
available at kami, check na yung calendar.
Okay.
So, minimum namin once a week na dito tayo.
Once a week, okay. So, ballpark figure lang doon sa mga gusto mag-aaral. How much ba yung dapat nilang i-save para matuto sila na mag-drift? Kunyari, ano ba to? Kaya bang kunin ng isang araw to? O meron ba kayong packages? Ganyan?
Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na school. So, yung Autocraft Drift School.
Okay.
And yung teacher ko, yung dalawang daughter ko. Kung nakita nyo nag-drive kanina dito.
Ang daughter mo nagtuturo,
Yeah.
Galing,
Mula sa basic akin sa advance.
Okay.
So, meron tayong package na 30,000 pesos. Ano ba yung inclusion doon?
Okay.
So, kotse, dalawang brand new tires,
Yeah.
fuel, crew, at saka yung instructor.
Wow. So, this would take the whole day?
It's 4 hours.
4 hours?
So, maraming nagtatanong sa page namin, paano kung ubus yung gulong or what. Kasi, kagaya na natanong mo, depende kasi bawat estudyante may kanya-kanyang progression rate.
Yeah.
Merong iba talaga fast learner within an hour.
An hour, pwede na.
Yes, nakuha na nila yung 3 module natin. Meron tayong mga modules eh.
Okay.
So, meron naman iba, medyo hindi ganun kabilis matuto. So, nauubos yung 4 hours na hindi nila natatapos yung module.
Okay.
Ngayon, kung fast learner ka, and then within an hour or 2, na-burn mo yung tires,
Okay.
na, so meron ka pang 2 hours na natitira. Meron kami dalang mga spare extra tires. So, you just pay for the tires,
Okay.
and you can still continue and consume the whole 4 hours.
Okay. So, more or less, magkano idadagdag kung let's say another set of wheels or tires?
7,000 for 2 tires.
Not bad.
Yes,
not
not
bad.
bad.
So, basically, I thought kasi mas mahal pa yun. Alam ko, mga 40 pala, mas mura, no? 30,000.
Yes.
And not bad for a hobbyist.
Yes.
Pwede kang matuto, lalo na yung mga gusto mag-race, di ba?
Yep.
At tama, dapat gawin sa proper venue, hindi
Correct.
kung san-san, di ba? Alam mo naman, minsan, nagkakarera sila sa kalye.
Never on the streets.
Never on the
sa
street.
mga advocacy natin. Kasi, kung hindi ka masaktan, may masaktan ng iba.
Yes, oo.
And we are very thankful kay Mr. Ventilio na meron tayo dito playground
Dapat.
for drifting. So, controlled environment tayo. So, hindi natin gawin.
Yeah. And for 30 grand, anong kotse naman ang ginagamit
Sa
natin?
Nissan Sefiro.
Nissan Sefiro,
Yes,
okay.
with an RB25 engine that's coming from a Skyline.
So,
yung kotse is really fun to drive. Mabilis kang...
ito ba yung ginamit namin nung nag-drift masterclass kami nila Atoy?
Yes, something like that. Yes.
Oh, something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so again, Doc, ano bang Facebook page natin, Instagram, TikTok, where they can follow you or pwede sila mag-inquire doon sa mga gusto nilang matuto mag-drift?
Okay, meron kaming page sa Instagram at saka sa Facebook,
Okay.
which is Autocraft Drift.
Autocraft
And then,
Drift.
Yes, Autocraft. And you can check our pages as well, Dr. Drift. And then
Dr.
si Daughter Drift. And then si Sister Drift.
Galing ah. So, Dr. Drift, Daughter Drift, Sister Drift.
Yes, it's a family of drift.
It's a drift family.
Yes.
Galing.
You can check your own personal pages as well. She has about 1 million plus followers on TikTok. So you can check her out. And even si Arian, Sister Drift. So you can check those
pages and you could do inquiries kung meron pa yung mga
Yeah. Cellphone number para mas mabilis.
Yes, you could call us up at 0919
Aha.
07
One more time, Doc.
0919
Aha.
07
Okay, so again, dun sa mga gusto mag-drift, tawagin nyo lang si Doc at check nyo ulit yung kanilang page sa Dr. Drift sa Facebook and Instagram. Thank you, Doc.
Maraming salamat din, sir.
Only what the... Quiet in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi everyone, I'm Yvonne Perez. Please do follow me to all my social media accounts. Please like and subscribe to Maverick Only on YouTube. Only what the...
Okay, kasama pa rin natin syempre si Doc, ang DK ng Pilipinas, di ba? Drift King, tama ba? Okay. So Doc, ilang taon ka ba nung nag-start ka mag-aral ng drifting?
38, that was 2000.
So that was like 2 years ago lang?
Yeah, bago lang yun.
Talaga? O 38 years old na?
Yes.
So, meaning pala, hindi naman kailangan na bata ka para matuto nito, di ba?
No.
Kahit na merong medyo matured ka na,
Yeah.
if you have the willingness to do this hobby, pwede pa rin, tama
Right,
ba?
yes.
Oo.
For sure.
Oh, and you told me nga, Doc, you're a family of drifters. Baka pwede mo na sa akin pakilala yung mga ganda mong anak.
For sure, sir.
Okay, so,
Okay, so
let's meet.
dito
Aha.
is beside me si Arian.
Hi, Arian.
Called also known as Sister Dre.
Sister Drift, Arian. And also, siyempre,
Si Ashley. which is
Ashley,
Daughter Drift.
Daughter Drift, and Sister Drift.
Yes.
Okay. So, Doc, interviewin ko lang sila, okay lang?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Ha?
By all means.
Okay. Hi, girls. Okay. So, ano ba, parang magkasing edad. Kambal ba kayo?
Siya po yung ate.
Siya ate.
Joke lang, siya po yung bunso.
Siya yung bunso. And then, okay, so Arian is the youngest and you're the elder sister. Okay. So, guys, what made you naman, learn how to drift? Dahil ba sa pogi yung daddy?
Well, actually, ako po, most nauna ako kay Sister Drift.
Aha.
So, college po ako noon. And
Mm.
then, sumasama-sama po sa father ko.
Aha.
Nakikita ko tinuturuan niya yung mga bagong students.
Yeah.
Tapos, one day...
How old are you? How old were you during this time? Siguro mga college.
23 years old
23 na, okay.
Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, bakit ako di mo ako turuan? Sabi ko,
Bakit nga naman, daddy?
And then, actually, hindi niya po kami like,
Hindi ka
kami
pinilit?
encourage, hindi kami
Oh,
pinilit. Gusto lang po numating sa akin, and then, yun. Nag-agree siya, tapos nag-set ng practice, and then, simula nun, hindi na po.
So that was history. And now, how many years have you been doing this
Nag-start po ako ng
drifting?
official competition ko, it was in 2017. So,
Oh, tagal na rin, ha? 7 years na.
7 years. Yeah.
7 years,
7
oh.
years.
7 years, right? And si Sister Drift, Arian, right? How old were you naman when, ano ba, nahikayat ka lang ba ng ate mo or what?
Actually, I just started this trip last
Ah.
year, so
Last year lang?
yes,
Okay.
so 1 year pa lang ako na nag-compete, but I learned the basics back in 2022.
Mhm.
So,
How fast did you learn that basic? One day lang, katulad ng mga tinuturo ng dad mo?
Actually, the same day na may event po kami.
Aha. Natuto ko kagad?
Natuturuan nila ako ng
Oh?
basics, and then the next day, nag-demo na kami.
Talaga?
So, from then po, nag-start na ako sumasama sa mga gift choosing.
Aha.
We give entertainment sa mga events, sa mga...
Wow, talaga one day lang natuto ko kagad. So talagang nasa jeans, di ba?
Yeah.
Nasa jeans. So, kasi ako, naimbitahan ako sa Drift Master Class ng Falcon tsaka nila Atoy. So I was just there to vlog and tinuruan nila ako ng konti. Pero actually mahirap din, di ba? Di ba? Yung ano nga, spin out ako sa ano pa lang, donut pa lang eh. Di ba? Okay, so both of you right now are competing.
Yes. Local and international.
Local international. So kasali rin ba sila doon sa mga competition na ginagawa na event ng R33?
Yes.
Okay. Oo. So again, do you have your own pages ba? Or yung family drift natin isang page lang?
Yeah, but so ako po, my Facebook page is Iron Season Sister Drift.
Aryan Season Sister Drift. And then yours,
Mine is
Ashley?
Ashley Season Daughter Drift.
Ashley Season Daughter. So talagang isa tayong family ng drifters. So again, kung gusto nila matuto, any of your pages, pwede sila mag-inquire, right? We have the Drift King. Ano ba yun? Yung ano natin, Dr. Drift na yung pinaka page natin.
Yeah, yung autograph drift.
Oh,
Autograph drift.
Autocraft Drift, Dr. Drift. O, siyempre, meron tayong Sister Drift. At siyempre, meron tayong Daughter Drift. So, again, guys, thank you, At sana, pwede ba ako makasakay, matry ko?
Oo,
Ha? Pwede?
Kasi dalang Sister Drift yung own car niya.
Okay.
Sabi, practicing mamaya.
Oh, sige.
So, sakay ka and try.
Yeah, para makita natin kung paano ako mahilo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys. Salamat. Only.
Right in the room, rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Kaibigan, this saying, be kind and make your nanay proud. And don't forget to click, watch, and subscribe to Maverick only on YouTube. Only what the...